So in this video I will tell you about the Big Time game, how to earn from it, and why their token is grown by 200% in a week. Firstly, let's understand what the game is all about. Essentially, it's an MMORPG in the style of Warcraft, but the entire economy is based on NFTs and tokens that can be freely traded on their marketplace. The main hype right now is that you can finally earn Big Time tokens just by playing the game. But how you can do that? First, you need to create an account on the Big Time website. If it tells you that the game is not available in your country, simply use VPN. Then you need to find a working invite code and activate it. There will be several working codes in the description. And if you haven't managed to activate them, then look for the codes on the Big Time Discord. Once you have activated your code, you'll need to download the game. All the links will be in the description for your convenience. Now, before launching the game, in the downloaded game launcher, you need to choose the server on which you will play. There is essentially no difference. The main thing is to select the one with the lowest ping. However, if you want to play with friends in a team, all your friends will need to join the same server. Each server also has its own locations, and it shows how many players are currently in them, ranging from low to very high. Once you have made your selection, just click play. In the game itself, make sure to remember what control settings are used by default in this game, so you don't get confused later, and have a better understanding of the mechanics and which case your character uses for various actions. Nevertheless, it's quite similar to any other game. Next, you'll need to choose your character class. Time Warrior is essentially a strong melee fighter. Quantum Fixer is a medic who can heal your friends and allies. Chronomancer is a wizard who can attack from a distance. And Shadowblade is a fast and stealthy type that can hunt unnoticed and stab your rivals in the back. Don't be afraid to choose a character class, because after completing the tutorial quests, you can easily change your character type using their pocket watch system, and you won't lose progress with your previous character. Once you have chosen your character, press confirm, and you can start the game. Your first step should be to approach this NPC and take the first quest. Where to go will be shown on the map with the yellow point. During the game, you will be constantly be given hints about which case to press to play and perform various actions. As you complete quests during the game, you'll level up your character, and for each level you'll receive skill points, stat points and passive points. To use them, press the K button and start using skill and stat points in the Pocket Watch development tree. Here you can acquire new skills and abilities for your character, increase health, energy and other character features. In the passive section, you can get new in-game abilities that don't directly affect your character skills. After that, just keep playing the game, increasing your rank, and you'll be rewarded with leaderboard points. The more points you have, the higher your reward in Big Time tokens, and they will be distributed every month during pre-season. The prize pool is currently valued at over $20 million, and the token keeps growing as the pre-season with rewards started just a few days ago. Speculators see a high demand for the game, so they buy the token as an investment and for speculation, which is why it's growing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss such helpful videos. See you in the next video on CryptoSpoon channel.